So till now, have you met any of your fan moment happen? Maybe in Bollywood or Tollywood.
Yeah,
Whom you want to
people-
meet, we always have a fan moment. Your fan
Actually,
moment has
what happened, I was here only and I think Mahesh Babu's house is nearby. So once
Okay.
I just asked the driver to take me out for a juice. We picked up a juice and then he said, I'll show you Mahesh Babu's house. I said, okay, let's go.
Huh.
And I was in producer's car and suddenly we stopped outside Mahesh Babu's house and he was coming out.
Oh.
And I said hi, he said hi, and he stopped talking to me. He stopped 10 minutes talking to me.
You talked to Mahesh Babu for
Yeah.
10 minutes. Your fan moment. Wow.
Yeah, and I didn't even, and
He
the driver-
recognized you as an actor?
No, but he thought that there is some actor and who stopped outside my house, and he was very nice talking to me, and I was so dumb I didn't even stepped out of the car, and driver was like, why didn't you click picture? I said I was talking to him. I was having
So
a conversation.
what he said? Like he's coming. I just want to know. That's wonderful.
He just said, I said I'm doing this film and all that. He said all the best and all that. This is just normal conversation happened.
You actually thought like, okay, he'll come and you know you.
No.
It was your fan moment, right?
Yeah, I was not expecting. He just went to show me the house.
You went there to his house?
No.
Okay.
We were just talking
Okay.
outside.
Okay. So like the driver just okay, Mahesh Babu dikhata and you got Mahesh Babu.
He wanted to show me Mahesh Babu's house, and I met Mahesh Babu.
You're so lucky girl.
Yeah.
So I think now you can go for any house and they will come out. Any big actor you want to meet.
Yeah.
They will
And one more thing I want to tell you that my character in this film is a crazy fan of Balakrishna.
Okay.
You will see a fun element in this film.
So you are playing a biggest fan of Balakrishna.
The girl in this film,
Huh.
the character in this film, is a crazy fan of Balakrishna.
Have you met him?
No,
Have you heard about him?
I know about him, but I love playing his fan in the film.
See, if you're a fan, you have to act something. So have you doing something
I
funny
did
yet?
Jai Balia, Jai Balia. Bale Babu sexy.
Oh.
Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Bale Babu sexy.
So sweet. I think we should make a reel of this. Yeah, boy, I just love this.
Yeah, I did that.
I think Balak sir will definitely see this. Of course, in a movie you are doing this.
Yeah.
But in real life, I think you should go and see his house. He'll also come out. Would you like to go and see his house now? You have not got a time.
No.
Met him. You would love to meet him. Have you
Yeah,
seen his movies?
I would love to meet him.
Have you seen his movies?
I think our director Ravi Kumar Chaudhary has done a film with Bala sir, so I think I've seen few chunks of it.
So you are a good singer also, I know.
No.
No?
No.
A one line for your fans. Telugu mein you want to try something? Your movie song?
Not really. I am not so familiar right now, but later maybe in some other interview I will.
So one line, Hindi? With the monsoon आता है या कुछ आ जाता है, then you feel like doing.
Okay. लग जा गले
Wow.
कि फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो
Wow.
न हो. Thank you.
So I think the three qualities which you want from your partner, upcoming, who want a girl like Malvika in their life, how they need to approach you? What three qualities?
Okay. First thing, never lie to me.
Yes.
Second thing, be transparent. And third, good looks, good looks, good looks.
Or maybe from other,
He has to be cute for sure.
but
Yeah.
not being, it's compulsory should be actor or you know.
No,
some,
not really.
that doesn't make any.
No.
So right now you have any crush? Are you mingle to single?
No, not.
You single to mingle.
I'm single and I'm ready to mingle.
Mingle. Really,
Yeah.
I had a wonderful time with you.
Thank
so
you,
just a
thank
one message to yourself and to your fans.
My film Triagrabhadra Sami is coming, I think this month end or maybe next month, releasing very soon. So please guys do watch this film in theaters and lots of love to all of you.
Message to yourself.
Message to myself. Okay.
Do more Telugu movies.
Do more Telugu movies, do a lot of Telugu movies and Telugu audience should love me.
Yes, they will. Thank you so much. I had a wonderful
Thank you.
time with you.
Yeah.
I think एक कभी कुछ plan किया, मतलब कोई step of your life.
Step. As such, I don't generally. I just do any dance, not like really. But yeah, according to choreography, I do. But when I'm just chilling, I do anything.
Anything.
Yeah.
So अगर ऐसे ही छोड़ दिया जाए मालविका को, what step she'll do?
Bhangra.
Bhangra. Okay. Anyway, we love talking